Hello, Danny Brown here from MarineMax in Palm Beach. We're here today looking at a new arrival, 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX. This boat comes packaged with a trailer. It's got the blue hull, bimini top with boot. It's got the upgraded 150 horsepower engine. Let's take a look inside. Okay, this interior is a new color for Sea Ray. It's a stone gray interior, which is light on dark gray. You see the ski pylon back there, bench seat across the back and sun pad, and then bucket seats at the helm, depth finder on the dash, and then go forward to the bow. This boat is located at Palm Beach MarineMax at PGA Boulevard. Please feel free to give me a call if you have any questions. 561-800-4339.